How's everybody doing today? So, it's actually the end of the day. I want to get this video made before I got home. Already dropped Paul off. We had one heck of a busy day. Did a basement clean out, a garage clean out, excuse me, another basement clean out. Then we picked up 1,000 pounds of steel, took that, recycled it. We from there went and picked up a couch, sectional couch for my daughter. This thing was a monster. I bet it weighed, it was in 3 pieces. I bet each piece weighed about 300 pounds, and then the little wedge probably 100, 150. Excuse me. So we got all that taken care of. It's almost 5 o'clock. Headed in. Got jobs on the schedule the next few days. So kids are back in school now. You can get back to doing your projects. And we are here for you if you need anything. You know, like I said, our rules: I can't take any paint, I can't take any type of chemicals. I can take tires and fluorescent bulbs, but that is going to cost more on your hauling fee, because they charge us to take those items, and plus they go to separate places. I've told you guys this before. You know, when we come across nice things, we'll try and donate them. You know, if it's something really cool, really nice, I may keep it. Sometimes we sell things, but if we can't donate it, sell it, we'll recycle it. If I can't recycle it, only then does it go to the landfill. We do our best to keep everything out of the landfill. My wife, Jo, she's an angel. You guys have seen a video of her before. She makes 2 to 3 trips to Goodwill a week, and at least 2 trips to the recycling boxes, donation boxes. So remember, good karma is here. Take care of you. We service all of Union, Franklin, and Delaware counties, and I will go out even further if you need me to. Just when you're about 40 or 50 miles out, I've got to start charging money for you know, for gas mileage. So I hope you're doing well, and I'm going to go ahead and end this. You guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. Mike's out.